families, it's Mrs. Skutnik. I'm here to go over today, May the 8th, digital learning with you so you know how to best help your student, or if the students are watching, so you know what you need to get done. So we're going to start off with looking at Google Classroom. All right, so on Google Classroom, we're going to look at the agenda slide for today and go over what it says we need to do. So it says for workbook, you have pages 43, 44, 45, 46. That looks like this. This is page 45. So on page 45, we're talking about analogies, and analogies are comparing things to other things. So up is to down, as in is to, what's the opposite? Up, down, out. Airplane is to air, so the airplane is in the air, as the ship is to what? And so on and so forth. On the next page, you're working with money, which is what we're going to talk about on Zoom today. You need to find the totals for the amount of money shown here, and don't forget the dollar signs and the decimal point. For this one, if you remember, on the left of the decimal point, it is the amount of dollars. On the right is the amount of change, and there is 100 cents in $1. So you're going to figure out how much we got going on here. And then they're going to ask you some questions about money. If I have 2 quarters and 3 nickels, is that less than $1? Yes or no? If I have 3 quarters and 2 dimes, is that more than $5? Yes or no? Then it wants you to draw a picture of $3.62. So maybe you're going to draw $3 and then 6 dimes and 2 pennies. Then it wants you to take these and make them into dollars and cents. Remember, just like this, the 1 is the dollar because it's worth 100, and the 25 is the cents. There isn't 100 over here, that's why it's just 89 cents. Page 45, we're talking about suffixes and prefixes. We have practiced this in the classroom. Remember, prefixes go at the beginning of the word. Suffixes go at the end of the word. So you're going to do pay plus mint, payment. Wash plus able is washable. So on and so forth. Adding a suffix to the word to make it a new word. Collect. Is it going to be collectness? Is that a word? Collectful? Is that a word? How about collecting? That's a word. So you're just going to add the new suffix. Collecting. You will use these more than once. So for down here, you have to underline the prefix, circle the suffix, and write the root word on the line. All right? That's how you do this page. And finally, the last page is all about place values. So which one of these numbers has 6 in the tens place? You'd write it on the line. Which one of these numbers is bigger than 5,000? Excuse me, you'll write it on the line. Which one has a 6 in the hundreds? Which one has a 0 in the tens? And which one is less than 100? You just have to use these numbers up here to solve the riddle. Same thing, what's the value of 6 in each of these numbers? So this is equal to 100. So it's the 6 is equal to 600. The 6 here is equal to 60, so on and so forth. Same thing with 5s and 2, and then you had to put these ones in order. And that's all you had to get done in the summer fit book. Let's hop back over to Google Classroom. We will be talking about place value and money today in our Zoom call. You have 3 things on Google Classroom to do. You have a check-in, you have math place value puzzle, and what are you reading? So let's kind of go over those assignments. They're kind of probably be hidden, so you're going to need to click that view more button to see all the assignments for today. For Friday check-in, you just click on that and it opens up to your check-in. You click on the link, you fill out the check-in survey so I know how you're doing today, then you mark it as done if it's complete. The next thing you have, again, you're going to probably need to click on view more, is the Friday math puzzles place value. So there's a little puzzles form you need to do. So if we open it up, I have 610s, 81s, 700s. What number am I? So you click, what number is it? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? And you're gonna go through and do all the puzzles. There's only 5, so it's not that many to do. And when you're done, click submit. Yep. And then over here, mark it as done. Finally, we have one more assignment, and it's Friday reading response. It's just asking, what did you read? And tell me about it. That is all the digital learning and at-home learning you have to get done today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm here to help. Bye, kids.